Hi, Grandma Bev here with Life with Grandma Bev. And yes, you all know who know me. I do videos on anything I get. except loads of groceries. I do it on beauty boxes. I do it on Dollar Tree hauls, Goodwill, thrift stores, TJ Maxx, anything you can think of. In fact, if there's something you want to see, just, put something in the comments and let me know. So today, though, I'm going to do this Luxury Diva box. This is one of the newer ones I've been doing. So let's see what's in here. This one's for August. Little late. See, it says August on the paper. Here's a nice, they put it in tissue. Oh. First off, the boring stuff. Some Sun Chips. A lot of cute stuff in there. So these are the 100% whole grain harvest cheddar. You will hurry up. Look at this. Oh my God. Jean from Jean's Junk would love this. This actually could be like a little purse. Oh, but this one I'm keeping, Jean. It's even got its own paper in it. The paper. Oh. I just sent Jean a little bag I had picked up that have flamingos on it. Jean, I'm keeping this one. Then we have, earrings. So these are cute. Let's get them. Lay down, babies, so they can see them better. Look at these. Keeping these. Look at pineapples, earrings. Aren't those cute? Well, those are going to go in with my stuff for my Panama Canal trip. Can you believe I already have two things I'm keeping? Yeah, what is this? It looks like some kind of jewelry. Like some bracelets. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, cute. 3 connected bracelets. Can you see better close? Luxury Divas. That's all it's called. So they're black and silver and white. And I don't wear bracelets, but I happen to know a daughter who does. So, Michelle, if you want this, let me know. Otherwise, it'll be going in a giveaway. Then we have, what's this? Beauty Creations, You and Me Blush Duo. Almost looks like there's a book in there. I can't get it out. Here we go. Okay, there it is. You and Me Blush Duo. Oh, it's winky. Wink, wink, and do me. Get a heart gonna enter that one, and lips on this one. I don't use this stuff, so this is gonna go in a giveaway also. And the last item, I know I won't be keeping this. It sure is pretty. Oh, it's so soft. Isn't this a pretty top? Look at that. Pretty. I mean, it is so thin. See, I can probably see through it. Let me see. Yeah, I can see through it. Now, you wouldn't be able to wear a bra with it. Unless you want your straps to show. So if I were to wear this, they would see a lot. It wouldn't excite them. So this is a Timing brand, which was established in 1989. It's a size large. It's 86 poly, 14 rayon, made in Vietnam, machine wash cold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Love the colors. I mean, let's see. Cute. Cute top. Not for me. It had to be for a small, firm, and I mean firm all over. Yeah, it's like I could wear it to bed. Am I happy with this? Yeah, I am, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 3 things I'll keep. Oh. I should stand up. But let's go over here. I know you're just dying to see this. Let's see, it's a very tight squeeze through here. Now just picture that without my shirt under it. Or maybe you don't want to picture it. Oh my goodness. Whoops. I go to sit down on the box. Here, Lou, here's a box you can get in. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, well, let's wrap it up right here. You can see how bright it is in here today. Comment if you like it. Share. Like. Subscribe. I'm happy with the box. I really am. And I just wish I could wear something like this, you know, and look decent. Could you imagine if you saw me walking down the street with this without a bra on? Oh, mama. I hope you're all having a good day and that I brought a little bit of laughter to your life. I love you all. Bye.